Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to use a photo as a keyboard background on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So for this, you'll first need to open the Galaxy Store app. Now here, search for the Keys Cafe app and download it. Once you have downloaded the app, open it. Now here you should see this style your own keyboard option. Simply tap on it. Now enable this option. Now scroll down and tap this plus icon here. Now here you will see several options. Tap on this picture icon here. Now select gallery. Now here select the photo that you want to use as the background. Once you have selected the photo, tap on this download icon in the top right corner. Now enter a name for your theme. So let's just name it AA or anything. Now all you have to do is select your theme from here. Once the theme is applied, you can simply go back to the keyboard app and you should see the photo as the keyboard background. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.